Welcome to our comprehensive guide on identifying and remedying common plant problems that every gardener faces. Like any living organism, plants are susceptible to a variety of ailments ranging from pests to diseases. Today we'll cover pest issues, diseases and nutrient deficiencies in detail. Arm yourself with the essential knowledge to ensure your garden not only survives but truly flourishes. The aphid, a tiny creature with a voracious appetite. Look for sticky leaves and the telltale signs of their presence. Aphids often cluster on new growth, causing damage to your precious plants. Their rapid reproduction can lead to severe infestations if not managed promptly. Neem oil disrupts their life cycle, making it harder for them to reproduce and spread. Insecticidal soap suffocates them, providing an effective and eco-friendly solution. Regular applications are necessary for best results. Vigilance and swift action are key to protecting your garden. Regularly inspect your plants and act quickly at the first sign of aphids. Spider mites spin delicate webs and leave stippling on leaves. Rinse affected plants and increase humidity to deter them. For persistent infestations, use miticides. A multi-pronged approach is essential for control. Mealybugs cloak themselves in a white, cottony secretion. Use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol for localized infestations. Neem oil disrupts their life cycle. Effective control prevents future generations. Fungus gnats larvae feast on delicate roots in the soil, causing significant damage to young plants. These tiny pests can be a gardener's nightmare if not controlled effectively. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. This simple step can help disrupt the life cycle of the gnats and reduce their population. Sticky traps capture adult gnats, preventing them from laying more eggs in the soil and further infesting your plants. A hydrogen peroxide solution can eliminate larvae, ensuring that the next generation of gnats is effectively controlled before they can cause more harm. Powdery mildew appears as a white coating on plants. Spray with a diluted milk solution or baking soda mixture. Both have natural antifungal properties. Control is relatively easy with these remedies. Leaf spot manifests as spots on leaves. Remove and destroy affected leaves. Avoid overhead watering. Use copper fungicide for severe cases. Root rot occurs when roots become waterlogged. Symptoms include wilting and yellowing leaves. Ensure well-draining soil and avoid overwatering. Inspect roots. Healthy ones are white and firm. Nitrogen is vital for plant growth and chlorophyll production. Yellowing older leaves indicate nitrogen deficiency. Amend soil with nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Organic sources like compost or manure are beneficial. Iron is essential for chlorophyll synthesis. Iron deficiency causes interveinal chlorosis in younger leaves. Lower soil pH to make iron available. Use soil acidifiers or chelated iron. The world of plants is fraught with challenges. Identify problems and apply the right remedies. Regularly inspect your plants and take action early. With knowledge and love, your garden can thrive. Happy gardening and stay healthy, my friends.